What if your kid's next best friend is an AI chatbot and it gives them the wrong answer? Google is working on a new version of its Gemini AI assistant made just for kids under 13. And while that might sound like progress, it comes with serious concerns. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated on the latest AI developments. The project, dubbed Gemini for Kids, is part of Google's larger plan to replace its traditional Google Assistant with the much more advanced Gemini. That switch is already underway. But here's the catch. Gemini works more like a human than a robot, making it more powerful but also more prone to mistakes. That's a big issue when it comes to kids who might not have the skills to tell fact from fiction. A newly uncovered update in the Android version of the Google app reveals that Gemini for Kids will offer things like story creation, homework help, and question answering, all with the warning that Gemini isn't human and can make mistakes, including about people, so double-check it. The question is, will children actually do that? The urgency around this update grew even more after US Senators Alex Padilla and Peter Welch demanded answers from AI chatbot companies like Character.ai and Replika. These platforms, meant to simulate human-like personalities, have faced serious backlash from parents over potential harm to young users. Both apps claim to restrict users under 13 or even 18, but still have millions of downloads and only carry a basic parental guidance label in the Play Store. Unlike those apps, Gemini isn't a virtual companion, it's a general-purpose AI tool. But that doesn't make it risk-free. Experts like England's Children's Commissioner are warning that kids are already turning to chatbots for answers instead of their parents. The good news? Google appears to be taking safety seriously by integrating Gemini for Kids with its existing parental controls. This gives it a clear edge over competitors like ChatGPT, which currently don't offer built-in protections for younger users. AI isn't going anywhere, and neither are our kids' questions. The best path forward might just be making sure AI answers responsibly. Check out the related video in the corner to learn how other companies are handling AI safety for children.